Right, I'm sorry if the angle's off. I've had to use like my tripod on the floor. So the first thing, I got sent this. I think the way you pronounce it is Aleibeauty. And she sent me one of their beauty blenders. Yeah, I think it's Aleibeauty. So it's A''L-E-I. And this is the Chameleon beauty blender. So packaging is like really, really cute. And she's got like little stickers with her logo on, which I think is really cute as well. So I wanted to show you this one straight away because it is on offer on TikTok Shop for £4.50. It's on sale. So it looks like that. And it's got AB embossed into it. It's a bit more firmer than like your typical beauty blender. But when you wet this, it turns pink. Like, that is crazy. So not only does it like grow, it turns pink as well. So I'm like really excited to use that because I've got some foundations to test out as well. So yeah, I will tag it in this video just so that you can go and check it out now while it is on a good like sale at the moment. So like I say, you can get it for £4.50. So thank you very much for sending me that. I cannot wait to try it.